Welcome to this tutorial on when to use CyberScout covered services. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection and cybersecurity services, offering a range of tools and resources to help individuals and businesses protect themselves from cyber threats. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices for using CyberScout covered services. First, it is essential to understand what CyberScout covered services entail. These services include identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and cybersecurity support. They are designed to help you detect and respond to potential cyber threats, and to minimize the impact of a breach or attack. So, when should you use CyberScout covered services? The answer is anytime you suspect that your personal or financial information has been compromised. This could be due to a data breach, a lost or stolen device, or suspicious activity on your accounts. If you receive a notification from a company that your data has been breached, or if you notice unusual activity on your credit report, you should immediately contact CyberScout for assistance. Another scenario where you may need to use CyberScout covered services is if you are a victim of identity theft. If you discover that someone has stolen your identity and is using it to open accounts or make purchases, you should contact CyberScout right away. Their experts will work with you to contain the damage and to help you recover your identity. In addition to these scenarios, you can also use CyberScout covered services as a proactive measure to protect yourself from cyber threats. For example, you can use their credit monitoring services to keep an eye on your credit report and to receive alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. You can also use their cybersecurity tools to scan your devices for malware and other threats. Best practices for using CyberScout covered services include being vigilant and monitoring your accounts regularly, keeping your software and devices up to date, and using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. It is also essential to report any suspicious activity to CyberScout immediately, so that they can take swift action to protect you. In conclusion, CyberScout covered services are an essential tool in the fight against cyber threats. By understanding when to use these services, and by following best practices, you can protect yourself from identity theft, credit fraud, and other types of cyber crime. Remember to always be proactive, and to seek help immediately if you suspect that your personal or financial information has been compromised.